Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ with friends step by step. Start by choosing a stable server and agree on a playstyle. Then create or join a private group using the in-game or Steam invite features. Set clear roles like Scout, Medic, and Looter. Communicate with voice or text. Share loot and resources promptly. And stick together when exploring towns and high-risk zones to maximize survival and fun. Connect to a server by filtering for passworded or private options, then send invites or share the server IP with friends. Use a dedicated voice channel to coordinate looting and movements. Agree on survival rules, craft basic gear together, set a rendezvous point, and assign someone to carry extra medical supplies. Regularly check server stability and backup characters if possible to avoid losing progress during raids or crashes. Quick recommendation: if you like reading while you wait in loading screens, subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. I use the new Kindle Paperwhite to read strategy guides and short stories between sessions. It fits in a backpack and lasts long. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for yourself. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Plan each mission with a short checklist for supplies, objectives, and exit routes. Use stealth when approaching populated areas and send a scout first to mark threats and vehicles. Rotate roles so no one tires of one job, and share food, ammo, and tools fairly to prevent conflict. Practice combat drills together, learn to heal quickly, and always have a fallback building to regroup if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.